Hello students, this is the video number 21, Propagation of Sound Waves, Chapter 8 for Part A, in which we will discuss about the production and propagation of sound wave. This is the video for the class 9th, subject physics. So in this, first we will discuss about sound. As you know what is sound? Sound is a kind of energy which gives us sensation of hearing. So sound originates when the body vibrates. It originates when the body is, when any body vibrates. So this is very much necessary. If the body will not vibrate, you can't expect the production of the sound. For example, these are the two rigid supports. These are the two rigid supports in which one string is kept. This string is kept tightly. When I plug this string from the center, so this will start vibrating like this. If I'll plug it tightly, then it will vibrate with the more amplitude. This is the vibration with the less force, let it be A. But it can vibrate even with the maximum amplitude also, let it be B. So A and B, these are the amplitudes. And experiment number 2, this was experiment number 1. Experiment number 2, like suppose this ball is suspended over here, that ping pong ball. Ping pong means table tennis ball. As you know, it is very light. When it is suspended with a string or thread through this, suspended with this rigid support, and one vibrating tuning fork, if I will bring near to it, so what will happen? The vibration of the tuning fork will be communicated to this ball, and this ball, due to its less mass, it will start oscillating because it needs very less energy to vibrate. And this displacement from the mean to extreme, that is called amplitude. It will come to this side also to acquire another extreme. So that amplitude will be equal. So here number of experiments are given in your book. Experiment number 4, that is also the simple one. Here they have considered one drum, and that we have to beat with a stick. So what will happen? The membrane of the drum will start vibrating, and it is obvious that vibrating membrane of the drum will produce a sound, and that can be heard. Why? Because in the surrounding air presence is there, and sound needs medium to travel, so easily we can hear the sound of the drum. Experiment 5, so the same case we have discussed earlier, because this guitar, in this experiment, guitar or sitar you can consider, all are string instruments. So when the string is plugged, okay, so the vibration will be there, and that vibration will definitely produce the sound. So vibrating body is a source of sound. Okay, now this is very important topic sound propagation requires a material medium. So in this diagram I will try to explain this. Listen carefully. Here is the battery, the source of current, key will act as a switch, and when you will switch on the current, so the current will pass through the armature of the coil, which is the part of the circuit, and inside one electromagnet is there. When there is a supply of the current, this hammer will be attracted toward this gong, and when this hammer will strike the gong, definitely it will produce sound, but that sound will be heard when there is a presence of air inside this. But there is another opening, and through this opening pipe of the vacuum pump is inserted. When this vacuum pump will switch it on, so what will happen? This vacuum pump will start withdrawing the air which is inside this bell jar. So when the slowly all the volume of the air will be extracted out from this bell jar, so the loudness of the ringing bell will also start decreasing, and one stage will come when vibration you can see, no doubt in that, but sound you will not hear. Why this happens? Vibration is only can be seen because of the presence of light. So light do not require any medium. Light does not require any medium to travel. But sound needs medium to travel. As there is no more air inside this bell jar, so no sound will be heard. So this proves that the propagation of the sound needs medium to travel. A material medium is necessary for the propagation of the sound from one place to the another. Okay, so read the concept properly from the book to get mastery on this topic. Thank you very much.